Welcome to 1 Minute Travel and Hospitality News. Family tries to book resort via phone, loses 21,000 rupees in fraud. FCM meetings and events goes global, predicts 6.6% growth rate for MICE by 2030. BLS International to offer visa service for Hungary in Uzbekistan, Oman, and Qatar. Aeroflot resumes direct flights from Moscow and Yekaterinburg to Goa. After 3-day rail track blockade, tourist flow bounces back to normal in Amritsar. Himachal homestays decry inordinate delay in renewal of licenses. Around 8 lakh tourists enter Nepal in the first 9 months of 2023. Prime Minister Modi to inaugurate Delhi-Mumbai Expressway second stretch. Grow your travel business with TravServer. Thanks for watching 1 Minute Travel and Hospitality News. Use your full potential to develop and grow your travel business with TravServer CRM.